To get the flavor going, we're going to use this green curry paste. You can get that pretty much at any Asian grocery store. 4 large chicken thighs chunked up. The aromatics here are onions and ginger, and the carrots are down there underneath. We also have potatoes. Those will cook the longest, so they'll cook about 40 minutes. And then we'll add in these broccoli stems and the bell peppers. They'll cook about 20 minutes. And right at the end, we'll add these broccoli tips and the green onions, the white part. We'll be using 2 cans of this delicious, rich coconut milk. So we'll cut that with about a cup of water or stock. And then these cute little baby corn, which I love using in this dish. So I find when I'm trying to develop a nice fond to a dish, the flavor that comes on the bottom, the brown bits you see, I use a tool like this fish spatula. It gives me a sharp edge to really get underneath the food and keep scratching up that fond that's building. That will make the dish really next level. Alright, so here I'm going to add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of this delicious green curry paste. Just a big glob goes right in, and then there with my spatula I'm going to break that up and incorporate it well. Then I'm going to add about a cup of water here just to kind of loosen everything up slightly before I go in and add my coconut milk. Get everything stirred to combine, and we'll let this cook for about 20 minutes. So after the first 20 minutes of cooking, you'll throw in your potatoes. Those will cook about 40 minutes. 20 minutes into their cooking, we'll add the broccoli and the bell pepper. So there you have it, my version of Thai green chili. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe and the techniques. Follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.